What's going on guys, it's Gizmodict here with a new video. Today I will show you the top 5 free games available for iOS and Android for August 2013. So these 5 games are not so intensive but are rather small and light games which will refresh your mind. So without any further ado, these are the top 5 free games for iOS and Android. So at number 5 we have Stick Cricket. Stick Cricket has been a popular game on iOS for a very long period of time, and recently it has been added to the Google Play Store too. As you guessed from the name, Stick Cricket is a cricket game. It is very light and simple to play. You can enter various leagues and win them to unlock more different types of competitions. Playing Stick Cricket is very easy too. You just have to bat and time your shots perfectly. There are many expansion packs available too, which you can buy for the game. Recently, a version of Stick Cricket based on the IPL, which is Indian Premier League, has been launched, which is called Stick Cricket Premier League. This is totally like IPL, where you can earn cash by winning tournaments and then buy your favorite players. You can even fix matches too. The only complaint that I had with the game was that there was no option to bowl, but since it is free, we cannot complain about it. At number 4, we have Sniper Shooter. Sniper Shooter is a simple shooting game with stickman figures. You have to complete various levels and sub-levels. The developer adds new levels with every update. The controls are simple and you have to use the gyroscope for aiming and then tap to shoot. Many of the levels are very funny. Next, at number 3, we have Despicable Me Minion Rush. It is a game developed by Gameloft which is based on the Despicable Me movie series. The gameplay is simple and similar to Temple Run as well as Subway Surfers with a few changes here and there. Overall, this is a very fun and intuitive game. The graphics are very good and overall the game is amazing to play. At number 2, we have Candy Crush Saga. You might have heard of this game as this is very famous on Facebook also. As I said, it is a very popular brain teaser game. You have to make combinations of various candies and complete the tasks related with each of the levels. There are many levels in this game and every level is a bit tougher than the previous one. You would not get bored of this game since there are many levels, and I am playing it from past 1 month and I really love this game. And finally, coming in at number 1, we have CSR Racing. CSR Racing has been on iOS from a very long time. It is also on the Mac App Store. The major reason why this game is at number 1 is because of its graphics. The details and the textures of each and every car are just amazing, and the game has much more than just graphics. It has a storyline wherein you have to beat certain league members. You can also buy new cars and also customize them. The only issue with this game is that since it is a drag racing game, you can just shift the gears. There are no other racing controls. But overall, I was really impressed by the game and you should go ahead and download CSR Racing on your device today. So there you have it. These were the top 5 games for iOS and Android for August 2013. If you want to watch more such videos, do hit the like button below this video so I'll make one every month. Also don't forget to subscribe to my latest videos. Also do follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.